Hi students, welcome back to my channel Evolve Solving Physics. Today we are going to discuss what is meant by unit vector, and we are going to discuss some problems based on this unit vector. So we already discussed in previous classes that what is meant by unit vector means for a given vector whose magnitude is equal to 1. For suppose if they have given one vector, if that vector magnitude is equal to 1, that vector is called as unit vector. So the vector whose magnitude is equal to 1, that is called unit vector. So this unit vector also represents the convenient direction of a given vector. So a vector whose magnitude equals to 1 and used to specify a convenient direction is called unit vector. So a unit vector has no units and dimensions. So this unit vector has no units and no dimension. I said that how unit vector is represented, it is represented with cap. So for suppose a cap represents unit vector. So how we denote a unit vector means a cap, p cap. So alphabet with cap represents unit vector. So in Cartesian coordinate system means x, y, z axis. This is a Cartesian coordinate system. For these Cartesian coordinate systems, the unit vectors are I cap, j cap and k cap. We have already discussed in previous classes that for x axis the unit vector is I cap, and for y axis the unit vector is j cap, and for z axis the unit vector is k cap. So in Cartesian coordinate system, xyz axis has a unit vectors of I cap, j cap and k cap. X axis will be perpendicular to the another axis, another two axes. So means every axis is mutually perpendicular to each other. If you consider x axis, so these will be perpendicular to y and z axis. So x, y, z axis are mutually perpendicular to each other. So magnitude of unit vectors is equal to 1. So magnitude of unit vectors along x, y, z axis is equal to 1. So magnitude of I cap is equal to magnitude of j cap equals to magnitude of k cap equals to 1. First, suppose if they have given a vector a bar which is non-zero vector, is a non-zero vector. Suppose a bar is a non-zero vector. So the unit vector in the direction of a bar is, so first suppose if they have given a vector, how you can calculate the unit vector means a cap equals to a bar by magnitude of a bar. This is how you will calculate a unit vector for a given vector. So as you all know that how will be the vector form, a bar equals to first suppose 2i plus 3j plus 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. This is a vector. With the help of this vector, how you can calculate a unit vector means by using this formula you can calculate the unit vector, that is a cap equals to a bar by magnitude of a bar. Magnitude of a bar means scalar. I said that if you calculate the magnitude of vector, what will be the answer? It will be the scalar, that is numerical numbers. Numbers represent scalar. So formula can also be written as a bar by a. A bar is a vector by a means scalar, that is magnitude of vector. By using this formula, you can find the unit vector for a given vector. So I said that a bar equals to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. How you can find the unit vector for this vector means, so find unit vector. How you can find means, so a bar is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. So now you want to calculate the unit vector. Now unit vector, what is the formula for unit vector? A cap equals to A bar by magnitude of A bar. So you know the A bar, but you don't know the magnitude of a vector. Now we are going to calculate the magnitude of a given vector. With the help of that we can calculate the unit vector. So how we will calculate the magnitude means square root of sum of squares of components of the axis, that is 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Why we are not considering I cap, j cap, k cap? I said that magnitude of unit vectors, that is I cap, j cap, k cap is 1. So for that purpose we are not considering I cap, j cap and k cap. Their values are 1. Magnitude of these unit vectors I cap, j cap, k cap are 1. So what is 2 square? 4 plus 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So under root 16 plus 9, 25 plus 4, 29, root 29. So the magnitude of vector is root 29. So what is the formula for unit vector? A cap equals to A bar by magnitude of A bar. So what is A bar? 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap by what is magnitude of A bar? Root 29, that is scalar. So this is how we calculate the unit vector. So A cap equals to 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap by under root 29. So we discuss one more problem based on unit vector. So with the help of one vector, how we can calculate the unit vector means A cap equals to A bar by magnitude of A bar. For suppose if they have given two vectors, that is P bar and Q bar are two vectors. How you can calculate the unit vector means if P bar and Q bar are two vectors, the unit vector parallel to P bar and Q bar is, so N cap is equal to P bar plus Q bar by magnitude of P bar plus Q bar. So this magnitude will be for both combination of P bar plus Q bar. This is the formula when two vectors are given and unit vector should be parallel to these two vectors. So when unit vector is parallel to these two vectors, given vectors, the formula will be P bar plus Q bar by magnitude of P bar plus Q bar. So based on this formula we are going to calculate one problem. So if A bar equals to 3I cap minus 4j cap plus 5k cap and B bar equals to 2I cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap, then find the unit vector parallel to A bar plus B bar. So unit vector parallel to P bar and Q bar means P bar plus Q bar by magnitude of P bar plus Q bar. So this is same as this, that is unit vector parallel to A bar plus B bar means the unit vector is parallel to A bar and B bar. So A bar, so what will be the formula here? N cap equals to A bar plus B bar by magnitude of A bar plus B bar. So first we will calculate A bar plus B bar, then afterwards with the help of that we will find the magnitude for that A bar plus B bar. So A bar plus B bar, what is A bar? 3I cap minus 4j cap plus 5k cap plus 2I cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap. So 3I cap plus 2I cap minus 4j cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap minus 4k cap. So 3 plus 2, because I cap is common, 3 plus 2, 5I cap minus 4j cap plus 3j cap is minus j cap plus 5 cap minus 4k cap is k cap, 1k cap. So this is A bar plus B bar. So with the help of this A bar plus B bar we are going to calculate magnitude here. So magnitude of A bar plus B bar is square root of sum of squares of components of the axis, that is xyz axis, 5 square plus minus 1, here minus na, minus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square. So under root 5 square is 25 plus 1 minus 1 whole square is 1 plus 1, root 27. So magnitude of A bar plus B bar is root 27. So with the help of both of these we can find the unit vector. So what you will get here? N cap equals to A bar plus B bar is I cap minus j cap plus k cap by what is magnitude of a bar plus b bar? Under root 27. This is how we calculate the unit vector for two given vectors when the unit vector is parallel to the two given vectors. Suppose if a bar equals to I cap plus j cap minus k cap, show the given vector a bar is a unit vector. They said to show the given vector is unit vector. Show that means the given vector magnitude should equal to be 1. If they given the given question is show that or check, with the help of given vector you should find the magnitude. If that magnitude is equal to 1 means the given vector is a unit vector. If not, it is not a unit vector. Magnitude of a bar, that is 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 whole square. So this is 1 cap, I cap means 1 coefficient, same as here. 1 square is 1 plus 1, 1 square is 1, minus 1 whole square will be 1. So root 3. So magnitude of vector is root 3. It is not 1. So the given vector is not a unit vector. Given vector is not a unit vector. So this is how you can calculate a given vector is a unit vector or not. With the help of magnitude you can calculate the given vector is either a unit vector or not. So this is how we can calculate the unit vector for a single vector, and we can check the given vector is a unit vector or not. With the help of two vectors you can calculate the unit vector. So if you have any doubts, please comment me in comment box. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.